The world that we used to work in, where we look at economics and markets and we don't really do politics, that's over. When we look at the way markets are trading around us here, we have pretty much lost control. Markets are saying they don't believe what governments are doing. Free trade agreements, if you're an economist, you say, yes, please. If you're a statecraft idealist, you say, yes, please, with friends. If you're a realist, you say, well, yes, please, if I can coerce you. I will go into a free trade agreement with you if I can make sure you rely on me utterly. That's the world we're in now. In terms of trade, the US target is a US-centric system without big US trade deficits. They don't want to run large trade deficits with anyone anymore, but they still want to be in the middle of everything. They want production over profits. Trump wants to see cheap inputs to make stuff in America. Whatever it takes, wherever it takes it. We may not like it, I'm not saying I do, but whatever they need to get there, they will do. If you're asking, what is GDP for? And you all need to be asking that. You need to ask, what are central banks for? If America is taking stakes in all these firms and doing all the things that I'm showing you, what makes you think they're going to leave the commodity space alone? And clearly, what I'm describing of economic statecraft has already had a huge impact on markets, but I'm telling you, you ain't seen nothing yet.